I'm gonna show you how to get the $30 bonus with XM brokers, but you need to follow every step of this video or it won't work. So first thing, click the link in the video description. You will get on this page. Here you have to select your country of residence, then you have to add your email, pick a password, and then here where it says have a partner code, click enter here. Then you're gonna need to write GTRDW, okay, exactly like it's written here, and then click on register. After you click on register, you will receive an email like this one, where it says to verify your email. Simply click on this link and verify your email. After you click on that link to verify your email, you'll be redirected on this page, and as you can see, you have now the opportunity to get the $30 no deposit bonus. All you have to do is simply verify your account. So click verify now, then add your personal info, upload a form of identity, and the $30 bonus will be immediately accredited in your balance, and you'll be able to trade with those money. But remember to follow all these steps on this video or it won't work. Click the link in the description, put your information, add the partner code, verify your email, and then once you do the login, you will see the $30 bonus waiting for you.